Hello, Gospel Music Training Center. This is Lisa Cooper from Valdosta, Georgia. You may see me on there sometimes as L Bowling. That's me. Um, I started with Gospel Music Training Center exactly 12 months ago in October of 2019. Prior to that, I had some lessons in person with an instructor who basically gave me a book, told me to come in, and he would listen to see what I worked on and tell me, all right, go to the next page. He gave me no instruction. He was unable to answer any of my questions. My goal starting out was to learn to play so I could play for my church. I'm a singer. I sing in the choir. Our musician had been there for 30-something years, and she was in her 80s. She retired, and I was hoping, I could go out, buy a keyboard, come back and learn to play and be done with it. My husband also plays the drums, and at home, he would be playing along with all these songs on the radio or gospel songs and sounding really good. And I'd come in and try to play on the keyboard, and he'd get upset and just leave. Without hurting my feelings, he was telling me my music sucked pretty much. I wasn't very good at what I was doing, and I decided, well, I'm going to find somebody that can teach me to play by ear since the person who I was paying couldn't do it. So I found the Gospel Music Training Center through the Hear and Play ad that popped up one day when I was on YouTube looking at some videos on how to play certain songs, and it happened to be JP. Now that I know him, I'm going to take my glasses off, and I signed up. And straight out the gate, Brian Hall, told me all about the benefits of becoming a lifetime member, and having taken lessons from someone who couldn't teach me, I was able to see the value in the program, and I thought, well, I know I'm going to be here for a long time because look how long it took me to get where I was, which wasn't very far. So I signed up, and I haven't looked back, and it's been the best thing I've done for my playing. I'm very happy with the site. I love the new format. I've already did the whole foundation thing. My average score was probably 85, 90 on some things because I had a lot of holes in my training. I feel real confident now in my playing. And just to show you, I might even sing a little bit. Here's a little bit of Waymaker. And that's pretty much my story. I love the online classes, the live. I learned so much, and I feel like a late bloomer here. So I go back and I listen to some of the older live video recordings before I started, and I've learned a lot just from listening to that. Jermaine Griggs, Dr. Anya, JP, you guys are terrific. I love you. Keep doing what you're doing. I'm going to keep learning. keep everything going. I've slowed my roll a little bit from trying to blaze through everything and enjoying the journey. So I'm in no hurry. I do plan to do the 12 key challenge. I can't actually play that song in all 12 keys, but I want to be proficient in my scales without thinking. I want to get to that unconscious competence stage in everything I do. And I just want to say thank you. And that's my story. I'm Lisa Cooper, signing off. Bye.